If you're tired of your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or the Buds 3 reading aloud all your notifications and it's really annoying, it's constantly interrupting you watching your videos or working out, whatever it is you're doing at the moment, here is where you can go to either disable this feature or set which apps will have the read aloud function. This is a Samsung phone, but if you have any other Android phone using the wearable app, here's where you can actually take control of these settings. Assuming you have the latest update of the wearable app, you'll go ahead and tap on it once, and as you are entered into it, you'll be presented with all these settings. So now go down to the part that says earbud settings. Earbuds settings, right there, this one right here. Now that you're here, you'll see the different earbud settings and you'll see read notifications aloud. So once you enter here, this is gonna happen and you will see, of course, all these options here, right? Now, if you have this turned on, this is like the master switch and it's gonna say here notifications from your phone on your earbuds, even when you're using your phone. Now, if you don't want this on, then yeah. So if you're not using your phone, then of course this is still going to read out loud notifications. Now, what we're going to do here now is we got the all. So if you haven't seen all the apps shown right there, make sure this drop down menu here is set to all so you know what you're working with. If this is set allow all, basically it's going to allow all the notifications to be read aloud. So turn this off, then that's going to disable every single one of them. Notice how everything went to not read aloud. Okay. Now, if I do come back and turn this on here, it's going to re-enable it for all of them. And of course this here, because this phone is not connected to a SIM card, but yours is going to say aloud here. Okay. Just so you know, it's going to say who's calling you and whatnot. All right. For the phone app itself. But let's say I decide I want to turn this off, but I want to turn on just for those apps that I really want to hear my notifications. So maybe, for example, like the messages one here, right? You can turn it on and it's going to just read aloud only for the messages app. Now you can also go here and you'll notice there's two options. One, the read aloud summary, and then read aloud full content. Okay, so this basically is going to kind of give you a brief reading of what that new notification is, or simply read aloud the entire thing for you. And it's up to you to make that decision. And of course, you can come back here and change these settings at any given time, like and so.